This is Iceland, the land of fire and ice. Divided by two tectonic plates, it's a land of constant change. This is Iceland's iconic south coast. Nowhere on Earth will you find another place like this. In a country about the same size as the state of Maine, you're going to find waterfalls, volcanoes, and who knows what else. We're Chuck and Lori. We're going to take you on a road trip of the most amazing country we have ever seen. Pack your bag and join us as we explore the outer worldliness that is Iceland.
Sit back and relax, and let us take you to iconic locations. Welcome to
Iceland!